When I used to teach in-person workshops, the actual was an important step in the birth of the Finnish More Music community and the training and the coaching. This started out with me testing this in small groups. And one of the things I used to do to demonstrate what I'm talking to you about was share a technique, or a little exercise is a better way of putting this, that I got from a guy called Tony Buzan, who writes books on memory. He gave this example in the book where he said, okay, you're going to spend 1 minute doing this, and you might want to try this, right? He said, spend a minute and time it, and in that minute, write down as many uses as you can think of for a metal coat hanger. They'd have a go at it, and at most people would typically have 2 or 3 uses for a metal coat hanger in a minute. Now what you do is you go through the exercise again, but this time you make connections. So you have a list of other things, other objects or activities, and you go down that and you try and think of how to use the metal coat hanger in relation to one of these things, or the entire list. So if I say to you metal coat hanger and then we put down a car, what do you come up with? What comes into your mind? Well, for a lot of people it's like Jimmy in the lock open. But then you say, okay, a baby, and people come up with a mobile, right, hanging above a baby's bed. Or you say golf. People think of fashioning the metal coat hanger into the T. You can see how easily ideas come together when you've got connections, but that thing on its own, it's really hard to come up with new ideas. You just sit there. I mean, what are you going to do with a metal coat hanger? You might have a couple of ideas. So this is really powerful.